Therefore, to make this occasion happier, we have arranged a show for you all so that we can bring smiles on your face. May all your kind wishes be fulfilled. Now, with due respect, I request Principal Sir to share his views with all of us. Thank you so much.
Unmute, sir.
Good morning, children. Good morning, dear teachers. My hearty wishes for this very special day called Children's Day. I would like to tell you that not only you who are in the school studying are the children, but in every one of us is child alive. When I say the child is alive, it means we are still innocent, we are still inquisitive, we are still trying to learn few things. Through that we become mature by age, but it is you who decides to keep the child alive in you. Make sincere efforts so that your honesty, your integrity stays. You're not changed by the surroundings or the atmosphere which demands you to become matured much earlier than the real time. I wish that you protect your childhood nature, your excitements, your adventures, and the integrity, and grow further from it. I do take this opportunity to thank all the people, the teachers who have done an extraordinary job to organize this very special day on a very special way during the pandemic time. I've seen the program of seniors as of now, so on that behalf, I'm saying this, and I'm sure that the same will be there for these two classes, 9th and 10th, and many more classes to come. I do would like to inform all of you in class 9th and 10th children, we are all set to call you to school. I think most of you have conveyed to us that you all want to come to school, and each teacher is waiting and awaiting to come to school as such. From 1st of December, we'll be having our first pre-board for class 10 and offline half-yearly exams for class 9. The date sheet and the proper setup will be shared with you later. We are trying to organize the exams in the MPH. There will be a big enough gap between two children, more than 6 feet between two children. So we'll be observing complete norms required for COVID protection. I'm sure you'll be mentally prepared and academically prepared before the exam starts. So start preparing, dear children. Enjoy your Diwali, enjoy your Children's Day, but don't get defocused from the main purpose of life, and that is to do well. And my best wishes for this, the child in you who stays as much as possible, and you perform very well in the upcoming exams of half-yearly as well as pre-board. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request Vice Principal Ma'am to please share her views with us. Thank you so much.
Good morning to each one of you.
And a very happy Children's Day to grade 9th and grade 10th.
To all of us, there is no picture so beautiful as a smiling, bright-eyed, happy children. No music so sweet as their clear and ringing laughter. We all are missing you all because this is a kind of life which we are having at this moment for past uh, 8 months, or maybe it's the ninth month is going on. We are not enjoying it as you are also not enjoying at your homes. We would love to have the regular classes, your presence in the school, the kind of environment we used to have, full of laughter and bright eyes, smiling faces, coming and meeting each other. I hope that day is going to be soon.
And we all are going to meet each other, and again we enjoy our life in the school. As sir has already announced about the pre-board exams, I hope you all will do very best and would start preparing from now onwards. Still you have some time, and prepare well and show that you are the champions who are always eager to learn and show the best result. All the best. Again, happy Children's Day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your kind words. ये दौलत भी ले लो, ये शोहरत भी ले लो, भले छीन लो मुझसे मेरी जवानी, मगर मुझको लौटा दो बचपन का सावन, कागज की कश्ती वो बारिश का पानी. Each one of us, when we grow up, we thrive to live our childhood once again, and that's what we do when we become teachers. As teachers, we live our childhood in new people. So next we have the we have Neerja ma'am with us presenting a bhajan for all of you.
Good morning to everyone. Good morning to everyone. Happy Children's Day to all my lovely kids. And I'm going to sing a bhajan for you, although it's without music, but I'm going to start. Ram Bhajan. Ram hai mahan, Ram Naam hai mahan, Ram hai mahan, Ram Naam hai mahan, राम के सिवा ना कोई, राम के सिवा ना कोई, राम के समान राम है महान. राम मुझको दास अपना मान लीजिए राम, मुझको दास अपना मान लीजिए, लीजिए शरण मेरा ध्यान दीजिए, लीजिए शरण मेरा ज्ञान दीजिए. जीव के है जीव आप, जीव के है जीव आप, प्राण के है प्राण, राम है महान, राम नाम है महान, राम के सिवा ना कोई, राम के सिवा ना कोई, राम के समान राम है महान. राम मेरे दीन दार आप दुनिया धार, राम मेरे दीन दार आप दुनिया दार. राम राजा राम प्रजा राम साहूकार, राम राजा राम प्रजा राम साहूकार. आप जानो अपनी माया, आप जानो अपनी माया, दास है अजान, राम है महान, राम नाम है महान, राम है महान. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Neerja ma'am, for such a soul soothing and next we have the quiz coming up by Imon ma'am. So Imon ma'am is here with us with a very interesting quiz. And let me tell you the basic rules of the quiz. Ma'am would be asking you a question and you'll simply raise your hands, and then randomly Pooja ma'am will be unmuting anyone. That's her discretion, and that child will answer the question. Okay, so here it goes to Imon ma'am now. Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. A very good morning to everyone and a very happy Children's Day to all my dear children. So we'll start with the quiz. I'll be asking the questions. As ma'am told, please follow the instructions. So while The first question of the quiz is a very recent event which happened on Tuesday itself. It's the IPL final. So I hope all of us know that it was the Mumbai Indians who won, right? I would just like to know who's the head coach of Mumbai Indians? Who was the coach of the team, head coach of the team Mumbai Indians?
Mahela Jayawardene.
Very good, very good. I think it was, may I know who answered? I think it was Rafakat.
Yes, ma'am, Rafakat.
Thank you so much. Okay, the next question we'll move on to. That the next question is, we all have heard of we all know Messi, right? He's a very, very good football player. So I would just like to know what is the middle name of Messi? Middle name of Messi.
Lakshya.
Ma'am, it's Lionel Andres Messi. So his middle name is Andres.
Very good. Thank you, Lakshya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Great. The next question goes on to, we know that there was a space age started in the year 1957, and there was a living creature which is sent to space, right? So we all know the name of the living creature was Laika. So I would just like to know what was the spacecraft? Can you name the spacecraft in which Laika was sent to space? Anyone? The spacecraft in which Laika was sent? Yes. Yes, good.
Shreyansh, you can unmute.
Yourself. Unmute yourself, Shreyansh. Is not able to. Ma'am, we can ask another one.
Ma'am, Tanuj.
Ma'am, is it Sputnik 2?
Yeah, great. Thank you so much, Tanuj. It's Sputnik 2. And we all know that Laika was a dog, right? It was sent by Sputnik 2. Okay. Going to the next question to talk about. See, there's a Bollywood personality who launched an online platform recently, which is called as Pravasi Rojgar, right? Which helped the militant or the migrants, we help the migrants find the job opportunities. It helped the migrants find the job opportunities. Please name the Bollywood celebrity or the Bollywood personality who launched.
Suhani.
Ma'am, is it Sonu Sood?
Yes, perfect. It's Sonu Sood. It's Sonu Sood. Perfect. Moving on to the next. I will ask about, we talk about a painting, which is known as Madhubani painting. We have all heard of Madhubani painting. It's a style of folk painting. I would like to know which state of India it's most popular. Which state of India it is most popular?
Nitika. Yashodhan. You can unmute.
Ma'am, is it Bihar?
Yeah, it's Bihar. It's Bihar. This painting is most popular in Bihar. Very good. Next question, we'll move on. Which of Amitabh Bachchan's film had the tagline, "It's all about loving our parents"? It's all about loving our parents.
Navya.
Ma'am, it's Bagban.
No. It's very similar, but it's not Bagban. Anybody else?
Ma'am, it's Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum.
Yes, perfect. It's Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum. And it's very similar to Bagban because Bagban also had the same storyline, but the tagline is not the same. Okay. The last question I'll move to. The World Beneath His Feet is a biography of which player? Is The World Beneath His Feet is the biography of which player?
Andalip. Shivansh Garg.
Let's make it fast, kids. Ma'am, just unmute any one of them.
Ma'am, the answer is maybe Pulela Gopi Chand.
Yeah, it's not maybe, it's perfect. It's Pulela Gopichand. Thank you so much, children. You were awesome in the quiz. Thank you so much, Mubin ma'am.
That was really wonderful, ma'am. Such an interesting quiz, and I could see so many inquisitive children raising their hands. That's really so good to know that our children are not only into studies, but they have a lot of knowledge beyond their books also. That's really great. So next, we have Vijay ma'am with us with a poem in Hindi. Vijay ma'am.
यस गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सबसे पहले आप सबको बाल दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। तो अगर आप सब बच्चे सच्ची लगन के साथ तथा सकारात्मक सोच के साथ, अच्छे विचारों के साथ अगर आप कुछ भी करना चाहे तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। तो एक छोटी सी कविता मैं आपको एक गीत के रूप में प्रस्तुत करना चाहूंगी आप सबके लिए। धरती की शान तू है मनु की संतान, धरती की शान तू है मनु की संतान, तेरी मुट्ठियों में बंद तू फान है रे, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, भूल मत मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है। तू जो चाहे पर्वत पहाड़ों को फोड़ दे, तू जो चाहे पर्वत पहाड़ों को फोड़ दे, तू जो चाहे नदियों के मुख को भी मोड़ दे, तू जो चाहे माटी से अमृत निचोड़ दे, तू जो चाहे धरती से अंबर को जोड़ दे, अमर तेरे प्राण, अमर तेरे प्राण मिला तुझको वरदान, तेरी आत्मा में स्वयं भगवान है रे, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, भूल मत मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है। धरती सा धीर तू है अग्नि सा वीर, धरती सा धीर तू है अग्नि सा वीर, तू जो चाहे बदल दे भारत की तकदीर, तू जो चाहे बदल दे भारत की तकदीर, तू जो अगर हिम्मत से काम ले, तू जो अगर हिम्मत से काम ले, गुरु सा गतिमान, गुरु सा गतिमान, पवन से तू गतिमान, तेरी नभ से भी ऊंची उड़ान है रे, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, भूल मत मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है। धरती की शान तू है मनु की संतान, धरती की शान तू है मनु की संतान, तेरी मुट्ठियों में बंद तू फान है रे, मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है, भूल मत मनुष्य तू बड़ा महान है। धन्यवाद बेटा, आप सब कुछ कर सकते हो अगर आप सच्ची लगन के साथ करोगे। एंड आई विश यू ऑल, सबको मैं कहती हूँ कि आप सबको मेरी तरफ से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं, और सब आगे चलते रहो। थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।
Thank you so
Mubin ma'am, I'll just take 1 minute, ma'am. I request each and every student who is here, please turn on your videos. I can see there is no window open on the 7th slide, 6, 7, all windows are closed. We'll start removing you, please children. Please cooperate, keep your windows open. Let's cooperate with each one of us and keep your windows open. It's not a big deal that we can do that. Otherwise, I'll start naming you and I'll be asking you to turn on your videos. Shall I start naming you? I'm on the 7th window there. I can see all windows closed. I'll start taking your names, beta. I'll give you 1 more minute. Please turn on the windows. Please turn on the window. I'll start naming you, I said. Please turn on the windows. I request the teachers also, if you can just, meanwhile, when the program is on, something like that, you could drop a message to respective students of your class, just as a private message to that particular person to keep the window on.
Still the videos are not on.
Almost every window was closed, so.
Still, Fozan Rahi.
It's a humble request to each one of us, please turn on the windows.
If within 1 minute they are not open, I'll ask Pooja to remove them.
Please
Vinayak Gupta, Devyansh, Milan Kohli, Ranal, Dikshit Gupta,
Ma'am, should I continue?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you, kids. Please continue to keep your windows on. Thank you so much.
We sung, Vijay ma'am, the message through your poem, through your song was very correct. Manushya tu bada mahan hai. As it is rightly said, there are no 7 wonders of the world in the eyes of a child. There are 7 million. So we need to understand, realize our strength, and we would be mesmerized to see the amount of energy and enthusiasm that lies within us. So we just need to channelize it in the right direction. So next we have a small skit which is prepared by the teachers for their children on the Children's Day. So here it goes.
Good morning, everyone. Good
Morning,
morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, everyone. Morning. Bhavna, beta, what are you doing?
I'm nothing.
Beta, you are sipping up a cup of milk?
Ma'am, sorry, I got up now, so I have not finished my milk.
No,
Just 1 minute.
Beta, this is very unethical. Please, we are in a class. What's going on?
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
And you've not washed your face also, I guess. Did you attend the previous class?
No, ma'am.
Let me check.
No,
Bhavna,
ma'am, I haven't checked. Ma'am, there is no point in checking. I was not there. I woke up right now.
Bhavna, beta, you have to attend your classes regularly, beta.
Yes.
How will you cope up?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, very good. Shalu, get rid of this. What is this?
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, by mistake I have done this. Ma'am, I don't know how to correct it, ma'am. I'm sorry. Ma'am, I'll try to.
Beta, please immediately get rid of this. Imon, beta, turn on your video. Vijay, beta,
Yes, ma'am.
Imon, beta, turn
Ma'am,
on.
I am on 2G, ma'am. Ma'am, please, ma'am, if I switch on the video, I'll not be able to hear you, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Imon, beta, try. But you've been attending the classes properly. You never turned off your video. What happened today?
Ma'am, I don't know. It's not working, ma'am, properly because of my connection, ma'am.
Beta, I'll speak to your parents. We need to figure this out. Now we have to fix such problems. We can't have classes like this. Yeah. It helped, beta. Did you try? Very good.
Yes.
Yeah. Very good, beta. Okay. Vijay, beta, get back to the video mode.
Ma'am, my video is on, ma'am. मेरा तो on ही था, ma'am.
No, beta, it was not. It was not, Vijay.
Ma'am, आप participants में देखिए ना, मेरा on है, ma'am.
Okay. Beta, now stay on the video mode only. Okay, you're such a good child. All right.
Okay.
Neha, what's happening, beta?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, Deepika is calling me again and again. Actually,
Why?
she's in the waiting room. She's in the waiting room, ma'am. Please let her in.
Beta, I will let her in later. Neha, first tell me, why are you having the mobile in your hand? You are not
Ma'am,
supposed to attend the classes with the mobile in the hand. You must be surfing on the internet only. Bhavna,
No,
what are you doing? Bhavna, I'm sure you're playing a game. Do you have another device, Bhavna?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, notebook.
Open it up at least, beta. What is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone grab your books. Shalu, where are you, beta? Shalu, get back. Shalu, beta, where had you gone? Unmute.
Ma'am, I just want to get my book. Ma'am, my book.
Beta, when you know the class is starting, you have to.
Sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Neha, it's okay, beta. Keep yourself on mute. We waste so much of time on this only. Neha, beta, see, don't take Deepika's call and keep the mobile on a side. You give it to your mama. Go.
Okay,
Call your
ma'am.
mama. Give it to your mama. Where is your mama? Neha. Oh, Bhavna got disconnected. Okay, Magan, beta, I want to ask a question. See, we are revising the second chapter today. All right. Yes, everyone. Okay, very good. And you have your books also with you. It's going to be an open book kind of a test for you. Who is this? Who's playing this music?
Ma'am, Harmeet ma'am.
Ma'am, Deepmala. Ma'am, I know she's Deepmala. She always do like this. She always disturb our classes.
Ma'am, her video is off since the beginning of the period.
I saw Deepmala. Deepmala, beta, turn on your video. Beta, who is this? Deepmala. Shalu, beta, why are you turning off your video again and again? Deepmala, beta, turn on your video.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I was not doing anything.
I know, beta, you are a very good child. Beta, turn on your video. Imon, again, you've gone off the video mode. Please, let's not waste our time. Beta, we have to revise. Deepmala, please get to the video mode.
Ma'am, I am getting disconnected. Ma'am, whenever I turn it on, I get disconnected.
Beta, let me have a look at you.
Ma'am, ये झूठ बोल रही है.
Vijay,
No,
beta, don't disturb the class. Else I'll put everyone on a mute.
Ma'am,
her video is
Vijay
off
does
since
all
the
these
beginning.
things.
Okay,
Ma'am, Vijay does all these things. She's
No,
a big
ma'am.
liar. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, we have something more important to discuss. Everyone, please put yourself on mute. Else I'll put everyone on mute and I'll not unmute everyone. Shalu, Deepmala, get back to the video mode immediately. Okay, Magan, beta, we have to revise the second chapter. That
Ma'am,
protocol.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse
Shalu.
ma'am. Can I put my video off, ma'am? Today I am struggling with my network issues, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Shalu, I will call your. Okay.
Ma'am, can I go and get the book? Ma'am, can I go and get the book?
Hurry up, Deepmala. We are getting late. See,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
11
ma'am.
minutes
Thank
gone for this only. Okay, Magan, beta, which is the protocol that helps in transferring files on the internet? Nobody will speak. Magan, beta, unmute yourself. You're not able to unmute? Beta, don't worry. I'll call your parents. They'll help you fix this issue. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Deepmala, what is this? We don't need reactions. Magan, okay, you could do it. Deepmala, beta, what kind of reactions? Please get rid of all this. Magan, you could unmute. Very good, beta.
Yeah. Ma'am, actually, I was doing it, but it was not happen, ma'am.
Now you could do it. Very good, beta. Tell me, so
Yes,
what
yes,
is the
ma'am.
name of the protocol, beta, that helps in the files to transfer? Look at this boy. He's got disconnected. I'm sure he must have left the meeting himself. Shalu, you know, beta? Why are you raising your hand then?
Ma'am, I want to know the answer.
Okay, beta, we will just discuss first, yeah? Right? We will discuss first. Yes. So, who else? Vijay? Vijay, beta, do you know the answer?
Sorry, ma'am.
What
I
happened?
don't know.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Somebody is with my name entering. Somebody is my name entering.
I thought
somebody is with my name in class.
Beta, I thought you had got this.
Ma'am, please check.
Beta, who is this? Beta, who is this? Hold on.
Ma'am, Nirja ma'am hogi. Nirja ma'am. Nirja hogi. Nirja.
Who to Shalu?
Bhavna, is it funny?
Yes, Ma'am.
Imon, beta, do you know the answer? Okay, we have good morning, ma'am. We have VP, ma'am. Everyone, put yourself on mute mode. Good
Ma'am,
morning,
this is
VP,
not
ma'am.
VP ma'am. This is not VP ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, you put everyone on mute. She's not VP ma'am.
Who is?
Good morning,
Ma'am,
VP
it's
ma'am.
an intruder. Ma'am, it's an intruder.
Beta, I
Ma'am,
need to...
remove ma'am.
Yes, yes. Who
Ma'am,
is this?
remove her.
What is this happening? My God. Beta, what is happening? What are you all doing? Magan, you've got back again, please. Beta, what happened? Why did you get disconnected? This is not right, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Beta,
Ma'am,
who's
network
this?
Excuse
issue,
me, ma'am.
ma'am.
Somebody is with my name. Ma'am, somebody is with my name. Ma'am, please check.
Who is this? Please turn on your video. Shalu, don't worry, beta. I have muted that person. That person will not be doing anything. I've put that person in the waiting room. Okay? Deepmala, beta, turn on your
What is the
video.
answer, ma'am, to that question? Ma'am, what is the answer, ma'am, to that question?
Yes,
What you asked?
see, we waste so much of time. Okay, who knows the answer? Shalu, get back. Beta, the answer to that question is FTP. All right, that is File Transfer Protocol. Okay, write down, everyone. Write down. Write down. Yes, Shalu.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom, please?
Shalu, beta, the class is going to end. Nobody will go
Excuse me, ma'am,
anywhere.
Miss Urgent, please. Please, ma'am.
Nobody will go
Please,
anywhere.
ma'am, please.
Ma'am, can I have my breakfast? My mother is calling me.
Deepmala, beta, we are in a class. See this girl, she's left. Deepmala, beta, you are in a class. Okay, so now, okay, we'll carry on the discussion. We have to talk about today in detail about the FTP server. Okay, so what is FTP? Who will tell me? File Transfer Protocol. Vijay, beta, आपने लिखा? Show me your notebook.
Yes,
Show.
ma'am.
Show. All right, everyone, can you see? So beautifully she has written. Everyone will write like this in the notebook. Deepmala, you're again off the video mode, beta. Vijay, very good, beta, very good. Maintain your notebook like this. Yeah?
So much.
Very good, beta. Very good. Magan, I hope you are also writing. Very good. Imon, you don't have to sit like this. Where is your pen, pencil? Imon.
I have written, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I'll sit like this.
You've written very good. Very good, beta. There is a way to sit in a class, right? Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
good. Okay. Okay. Yes, Bhavna, show me your notebook, beta. I hope you are writing.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, nice work now.
Let it be little closer, beta. I can't see properly. Very good. Very good. Beta, who is this?
Ma'am, another Bhavna.
Beta, she got disconnected. Imon, beta, you only messaged me that she wants to join.
No, ma'am.
Beta, you put in the chat box that she wants to join. She's joining.
Ma'am, I thought it was Bhavna from but she's already there, ma'am.
Beta,
I received a message, so I sent you, ma'am.
We need to check, beta. Okay. All right. Deepmala, beta, get back. Magan, beta, get back. I think that's all from our side. And we all can wish the students a happy Children's Day.
Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Happy Children's Day.
Day.
Deepmala ma'am, you can also speak now. I think that's the real intruder. We need to check that out. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, all the teachers. That was such a wonderful effort. Wonderful. And that's exactly what happens in our classes. Most of the time, we have the children telling them to switch on their videos and so many other problems we actually have to face. but that goes, that's a sort of entertainment also side by side along with the studies. Okay, now, so this was a wonderful skit. Now, again, we have another round of quiz which will be presented by Meenakshi ma'am. So, Meenakshi ma'am, here you go. Meenakshi ma'am.
Ask her to mute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody, and happy Children's Day to all. So let's start with the quiz. Who was known as the Frontier Gun? Who was known as the Frontier Gandhi?
Ma'am, it's Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan.
Very
I suppose she got disconnected. Ma'am, is Meenakshi ma'am here?
I suggest we should go on with the maths quiz. Maybe.
We should go with that.
Yes.
So, can we move on to the maths quiz now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
A wonderful morning to everyone sitting over here. Happy Children's Day to students of class 9 and 10th. Now, it's a time to shake your mind. Dear children, I'll ask you some math puzzle. It's in front of you. Puzzle 1. If 22 plus 4 is equal to 24, 13 plus 6 is equal to 16, 80 plus 2 is equal to 82, then what should be 67 plus 9? Yes, please.
Sir, 69.
Correct answer. Thank you so much. Wonderful.
That was Harsa.
Wonderful. Great. Next question. We have, if 11416 is equal to 46, 23227 is equal to 37, 33935 is equal to 95, then what? 84244. Then what's the result for that?
It's 44.
No.
84 participants.
Well try. Anyone?
Pooja ma'am, let's make it
So
fast.
is it 84?
Yes?
84.
No.
Madan sir, I think now you should speak the answer because we cannot
Yeah.
get line. We cannot
Yeah.
get time.
Yeah, the answer should be 82. Because in first one you can see 1 is repeated. That's why we left that and 46 was the answer. Second one, 2, repetition was there. That's why 37 is the answer. Likewise, in the last one, repetition for digit 4. That's why 82 is the answer. Right. Now we have puzzle 3. If 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, 3 plus 7 is equal to 17, 4 plus 5 is equal to 19. 5 plus 8 is equal to 37. Then what should be 6 plus 7? Please see the pattern. See the pattern. See the sequence. Definitely you will give the answer. Yes, please. Take your time.
Yes, Pooja ma'am, please unmute somebody. We need to be a little faster because of the paucity of time.
Sir, is it 42?
No, you are very near.
Sir, you can give the
Wonderful.
correct
Well
answer,
tried.
sir. Magan sir,
Yeah.
you can give the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The correct answer is 41. Because the pattern is, if we take numbers as A and B, then the pattern is A cross B minus B minus A. Right? Next one. Puzzle number 4. Make it correct without changing it. Yes, please. 8 plus 8 is not equal to 91. Definitely we know. So what should be the result? Yes, please.
Let's make it faster.
What should be the correct answer?
Yes, Pooja ma'am, unmute anyone.
Yes, anyone out of you?
Pooja ma'am.
Samarth. Sir, we take 8 plus 8 as whole multiplied by 0 plus 91. 91 equal to 91.
No, no, no. Not like that.
You can give the correct answer.
Yes. Okay. Dear students, if we move this pattern clockwise or anti-clockwise, we'll get 16 is equal to 8 plus 8. Got it? 16 is equal to 8 plus 8. Correct? Well tried. Next. Puzzle number 5. Which number should be there in place of question mark? Yes, please. Hurry up. Yes, please. Anyone? Yes, Rifakat.
20.
20. 20 is the correct answer. Wonderful. Great. Thank you so much. So thank you, everyone. And once again, happy Children's Day. Thank you. Over to Mubin, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Magan sir, for such a wonderful and mind-boggling math puzzle quiz. So that was really nice. And next we have an interesting talk show by the English teacher. So
Good morning, students. Happy Children's Day to all. I hope you all can hear me. Okay, as we all know, you are wonderful orators and are excelling in all spheres. So quickly, we are going to brush the dust by being part of this talk show. In this, you will be asked a particular question and you will immediately, whosoever knows an answer, you will simply give me the answer. Give me the reason for that question. Don't elaborate it because we are running short of time. So it's an open, otherwise we were going to have teams, but now we are just going to give up a question. You will speak on that question, okay? Whatever comes to your mind. The person who will raise hand, Pooja ma'am, you are going to please unmute that child. Rita ma'am, over to you for the questions. Rita ma'am, unmute yourself, please.
Good morning, everybody. A very happy, joyful Children's Day to all of you. My first question is, what is the best way to lose weight? What is the best way to lose weight? Yes, children.
Pooja ma'am, anyone?
Pooja ma'am, randomly unmute the raise their hands.
Samarth.
Exercise to lose the weight.
You have to give a reason also for that.
Reason. By doing exercise, calories burnt up. That's why I'll weight or the excess of fat. Ma'am, it's a scientific answer. Ma'am, अगर कुछ हो रहा है तो मेरे को नहीं पता.
We are having Hindi show, Simon. Okay, Rita ma'am, move on to the next one, please.
Question.
Yes.
Children, illustrate common household items you have been using wrong till you saw or somebody told you. Illustrate common household item you have been using wrong till you saw or somebody told you.
Let's make it faster, ma'am. Obin, Pooja ma'am.
Pooja ma'am, anyone?
Smart is there.
You never have done any wrong, picked up any wrong instead of spoon, spatula or something, and you have used it. Okay, we'll quickly come on to the third one. The third one is, okay, we all know, we are always told that king's meal is grand, eat like queen in the lunch and as a beggar for dinner. So can you think what will be a queen's breakfast? What does the queens eat for their breakfast? Pooja ma'am, you can pick up Tanuj.
Yes. Normally queens eat something heavy because they don't want to work out to lose the fat. So they'll have something light and something to fill their tummy.
Wonderful, wonderful, Nikita. That was wonderful answer. With this, we hope that your brainstorming has actually activated, and have a wonderful Children's Day from all of us. Happy Children's Day.
A good applause to all of you. Thank you, Bhavna.
Thank you so much, Rita ma'am and ma'am, for such a wonderful, talk show where the children are. Because we couldn't carry it for a longer period of. Otherwise, I'm very sure that many children would have come up with different ideas.
Yes.
Weight and how they.
In fact, Mubin ma'am, Neha ma'am was also part of this, but she's getting disconnected again and again. Therefore, she's not there.
No issues. So next we, last but not the least, we have with us Ajay sir with his wonderful song.
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. There's just a small movie that we've made for kids. Just playing that before.
Okay, yeah.
सपने अंबरां दे, ए सपने अंबरां दे, बूंद बूंद जोड़ेंगे पल पल दूर दूर बह जाएंगे, फिर नाल समंदरा दे, फिर नाल समंदरा दे।
Beautiful, Pooja ma'am, and it actually made us all emotional. I mean, like really looking barren without the children. We are really missing you all a lot, and it is. I'm really getting emotional. You know, it was really heart touching and very heartwarming. Seriously, we all love you a lot, and without you people, school is just nothing. So we wish that we get to see you all back into the school as soon as possible, and may this pandemic end and we all can get to school. So next we have with us Ajay sir with his song. So Ajay sir, over to you now.
Hello. Good morning, everyone, and a happy Children's Day. We'll be presenting the song. कोई जब राह न पाए मेरे संग आए के पग पग दीप जलाए, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार। कोई जब राह न पाए मेरे संग आए के पग पग दीप जलाए, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार। जीवन का यही है दस्तूर, प्यार बिना अकेला मजबूर, दोस्ती को माने तो सब दुख दूर, दोस्ती को माने तो सब दुख दूर। कोई काहे ठोकर खाए मेरे संग आए के पग पग दीप जलाए, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार। दोस्ती के हैं रूप हजार, पर मेरी सुने जो संसार, दोस्ती है भाई तो बहना है प्यार, दोस्ती है भाई तो बहना है प्यार। कोई मत नैन चुराए मेरे संग आए के पग पग दीप जलाए, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, कहीं मीरा, कहीं है घनश्याम, दोस्ती का यारो नहीं कोई धाम, दोस्ती का यारो नहीं कोई धाम। कोई कहीं दूर न जाए, मेरे संग आए, के पग पग दीप जलाए। मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार। कोई जब राह न पाए, मेरे संग आए, के पग पग दीप जलाए। मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार, मेरी दोस्ती मेरा प्यार। Thank you everyone and happy Children's Day once again.
Thank you so much, sir. That was so refreshing, and I hope everybody would have loved it. It was really very nice. I wish it was time. The entire hall, the OAT must have been filled, all sort of clapping and applaud and greeting from everybody for you. That was really nice. So this was the last item of the day. Thank you, sir, for this program. Thank you so much, everyone, all the teachers, all the students for joining, and all the teachers for putting in so much of effort and making this Children's Day really special for all. Now, I would request if Principal Sir is there to give his last address this meeting of class 9th and 10th. And if Sir is not there, Principal Ma'am, please. Principal Sir is there, Pooja Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, I think some problem is there. He's not able to connect his audio.
Vice Principal Ma'am?
Give him call whether he would like to speak something or not. Bhavna, are you there?
Ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Please ask him, sir, would you like to give conclusive note or
Right.
shall we proceed further?
Right, right.
Pooja Ma'am, if you have entered the teachers of class, then they can, the respective class teachers can, start entering their children.
Ask Mubin, please ask the 9th and 10th class to leave.
Yes, sir. So,
Can we?
We can give a concluding note and then they can.
Yes. Wait. Let her talk to principal, sir. Oh, 164 children are waiting in the waiting room.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, he's unable to connect. Ma'am, he says that we can continue.
Okay, so thanks a lot, teachers and children. It was a wonderful program presented by the teachers, and especially the skit, quiz, questions, and the best part was the last song sung by Ajay, and it was really beautiful song, and everybody was enjoying it. Thanks a lot, teachers. And now I request 9th and class 10th children to leave. Thank you, beta. Thank you, children. Please move.
Happy Children's Day, everyone.
Ma'am, I suppose Nandan sir wants to speak something. He just called me up, ma'am. Just a second, ma'am.
Okay, please.
Class teachers of first we can start.
Just a minute. And NK sir is there. He wants to speak.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just asking the teachers to.
Okay. Sir is there. Yeah, he got connected. Yeah.
Morning, are any students left? They've all gone.
No, they are there, sir.
Morning, students. A very happy Children's Day for all of you. And we hope to see you back in school fast. And I'm sure ma'am and sir have already told you about the please study. They've already told you about your pre-boards coming. And we'll see you when we see you. Enjoy yourself. Take care. And do start studying, especially class 10. Pre-boards are around the corner. Happy Diwali. And I'm sure they must have, sir or ma'am must have shared the information with you. For the 6th year in a row, we got the #1 ranking as the #1 day school in J&K. Thank you. Thank you, all of you. Besides the teachers, you students are the ones which make it happen. Thank you. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Bhavna, now they can leave. 9th and 10th class can leave.
Right, ma'am. Students, can you please exit? Please exit.
And class teachers to see.
Our students class wise. So the class teacher of 8th A will enter all the students of 8th A and respectively other teachers, and also please the children have been waiting for so please start adding them. And Akriti ma'am, Akriti ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, Akriti ma'am is there. Yes, Akriti ma'am, can you please, you were the host now? Yes.
Yes, Mubin ma'am. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Please, class teachers as co-host.
VP ma'am, good morning.
Good morning, Akriti. Please make the class teachers co-host so they can see and ask the children to switch on their videos.
Right.
It is compulsory.
Right, ma'am.
Dear children, make sure that your videos are on all the time. Teachers and students, everybody, please keep your videos on. It's very important.
Turn on your videos, children.
Ma'am, actually, I've sent a message to my teachers. They were all waiting. So they are just joining in, ma'am.
Okay. You are not audible. Mubin, you are not audible.
Neetu ma'am, I would request you to start because the children will keep on joining and will keep on adding them.